my sense is that beyond the fine point of what has been discussed, because we've had what I would say a fruitful discussion with the study group, beyond the fine print of this version right now, I think what we hear is that there are concerns of the President that are political and administrative in nature. On the political concern, we hear that there is concern that a bill like this will just be used by the enemies of the righteous path. In other words, it will undermine, in other words, it's seen as a possible destructive measure more than it being a constructive measure politically. And secondly, on administrative, we've been hearing that it is going to be administratively inconvenient to implement a legislation like this. In other words, if at every step of the way, especially during the time that decisions are being deliberated, if there are negotiations, let's say on PPP, and people will be able to pry open information at that stage, then it can be administratively inconvenient, slow down decisions and so on. We hope that that is not true, because the freedom of information requires a much deeper commitment than both political and administrative convenience. This is a matter of right. It is also a matter of being ready to democratize power. And I think the citizens deserve, after all of these years, a freedom of information bill, and we were really hoping that under the Aquino administration, this bill will finally become law.